Hello everyone. In this section, we will learn how to perform a qPCR run on the real-time PCR system called CFX96, CFX Connect, or CFX384. To start, from the computer connect to the machine, we can double-click on the icon to launch the software. Once the software is launched, you will see from the home page, on the left panel, it shows the icon of the machine together with the serial number, and at the bottom, on the left side, it shows the instrument is idle, meaning the machine is connected. At the Startup Wizard window is shown here. You can go to the user-defined to set up the protocol. To start the run, you simply go from the left to the right. From the protocol startup, we can either create new protocol or browse the existing pre-saved protocol. Let's try to start protocol. Here, it shows the typical two-step real-time PCR. Here, you can key in the sample volume, say have 20 microliters. Down here at the protocol session, you can change the temperature or duration by simply click on that and change accordingly and press enter. Same to the duration. You can also insert step or delete step. Here, as you can see, there is an icon, camera icon. It shows after this step, the machine will scan every well to collect the fluorescent signal. And if you would like to change the cycle number, you can key in and change the numbers accordingly in the go-to steps here. Next, if you run the cybergreen dye or evergreen dye, remember to perform Bell curve analysis to check for contamination or specificity. To do that, you can simply click on the insert Bell curve once the mouse at the go-to step. Next, and also the last portion, I would like to introduce the thermal gradient, which is, say, if you were in the cycles, you would like to optimize the annealing temperature of the primer set, you can click on the insert gradient. So with this, the machine allows you to find out which is the optimal or the best annealing temperature. So to do this, you can try the range and go up to 24 degrees. Alternatively, if you were to have interest in one particular temperature, say 60 degrees at this row E, you can also key in and the rest will change accordingly. Once the protocol is completed, you can go ahead and save the protocol by clicking OK. So we'll save it in desktop. Next, you go to the Blade tab to quickly start a run without spending lots of time to label your wells and targets, genes, and so on and so forth. You can go to Express Load, choose Quick Blade 96 wells, cyber only if you use cyber green or EVA green dye, or Quick Blade 96 well, all channels if you use probes. With this, it allows you, the machine will scan every wells. For after the run, you can spend your time for labeling as you wish. Later on, I will also show you how to do the blade setup for labeling and gene expression analysis. Next, we go to Start Run, which is the last step. Make sure the check mark is checked for the machine connected and sample volume key in. You can now open the lid, put in the plate or the strip. If the strip is used, make sure it's balanced. Then you can close the lid. Then you can start the run. Before the run starts, it asks you where you want to save your data. Now we can give the data file a name and we save in desktop. And the run has started. You can see the protocol, running status, real-time status with amplification data for the well that has target, and finally is the running time towards completion.